Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started this chapter coins and notes, and we have studied also this change for this 1 rupees, change for 2 rupees, change for this 5 rupee coin is. Then today you see here this change for a 10 rupee coin is. The change for 10 rupee coin is. Here one 10 rupee coin, and you write here this change for this 10 rupee coin. Firstly you write here this 5 rupee coins. How many 5 rupee coins to change for these 10 rupee coins? 2. You take here 2 5 rupee coins, 5 plus 5 10 rupees. Then 1 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins. How many 1 rupee coins you take here? 10 1 rupees coins. 10 into 1 means 10 rupees. 10 into 1, 10 ones are 10. Then you take here this 10 1 rupee coins. Then how many these 2 rupee coins? Then you will get this 10 rupee coin. How many you take here? This 2 rupee coins. See here 2 rupee coins. How many? 5. You take here 5. 5 to the 10 rupee coins. Then next one 50 paise coins. 50 paise coins. 50 paise here. Then you take here how many 50 paise coins? 20. 20 into 50. 20 into 50 means here 20 into 50. 5 to the 10. And these 2 0. This paise converted into rupees means these 2 0 0 0 cut. 100 paise. 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. Means this 10 rupee coin is equal to 20 50 paise coins. Then in this 10 rupee coin, how many 2 rupee coins and how many 1 rupee coin? Take this combine, then you get this 10 rupee coin. How many 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coins? Suppose you take here 4 2 rupee coins. 4 2 rupee coins means how many rupees? 8 rupees. 4 2 is 8. Again you take here 2 1 rupees coin. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Then you write here 4 and here write 2. 4 2 is 8 rupee coins. 8 rupee coins, and these 2 add again. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 rupee coin. Then next one, see this. I have a 500 rupees note. This lady have 500 rupees note. The milk bill is 452. I do not have any change to give you. Milkman said, your milk bill is only 452 and I do not have any change to give you. Nandu, go to the shop and get change for a 500 rupees notes. This 500 rupees notes change for this 104 notes here. 50 is 1, then 21, 10 rupees 2 notes means total this 100. 400, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and these 2 5 rupees coin means 10 rupees, 100. This 100 rupees and these 400 rupees notes means here 500 rupees notes. The change brought by Nandu. This lady have a 500 rupees note and milk bill is only 452, and milk bill, this milkman not have this any change to give this lady. Then Nandu go to the shop and he get change for this 500 rupees note. See this change for this 500 rupees note. The change for this 500 rupees note. 100 rupees 4 notes. 100 rupees 4 notes. 50 rupees 1 note. 20 rupees 1 note and 10 rupees 2 notes. 10 rupees 2, 21, 50 and all these 100 notes. And here 2 rupees coin, how many? 5. 2 rupees coin. This 100 4 notes means 400. Then here 51 note, 50 plus 20, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 90, and 2 rupees coins here 5. 5 means 5 to the 10, 10 rupees note here. Then this 90 plus 10, 100, and this 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. This change for this 500 rupees means 104 notes, 51 note, 21 note, 10 rupees 2 notes and 2 rupees coins of this 5. Then next one, see this, the change for a 2000 rupees note is, the change for this the change for 2000 rupee note is 2000 rupee note is, here one 2000 rupees note, the change for this 2000 rupees note. Firstly here how many 20 rupee notes, how many 20 rupee notes here, how many 20 rupee notes, 20. Then here 20 means 100, you take here 120 rupee notes, then you will get this total 2000 rupees 100. Then next one, how many these 50 rupee notes, 50 rupee notes. Then how many these 50 rupee notes, here see here 50, 5, 54 ja 200 and this 1 0 remain means 40. Then you take here this 40 50 rupees note, then you will get this 2000 rupees note. Then this next one is 100 rupee notes, 100 rupee notes. You take here this 100 rupee notes, how many? 20. 20 into 100 is equal to 2000. Means here you take here 20 100 rupee notes, then you will get this 1000 rupees note. Then next one is here 500 rupee notes. 500 rupee notes. How many you will take here? 500 rupees notes. 500 500 1000, again 500 500 1000, means you will take here these 500 rupees notes 4, then you will get this 2000 rupees note. This change for this 120 rupee notes, 40 50 rupee notes, 20 100 rupee notes and 4 you will take here this 500 rupee notes, then you will get this 2000 rupees note. Then next one, see, small notes and coins can also be exchanged for a single bigger note or coin. Since suppose here 100 rupees note,